So in a recent tool lot that I acquired, it came with this Mac ratchet. Part number is XR8, USA W1, 3/8 drive. It does work, which is nice, but it definitely is dry. And as the instructions clearly indicate on the head of the ratchet, clean and oil regularly. So that's what we're gonna do today. So these are actually really easy to work on. You can see there's two slotted screws to remove. All right, now everything should come out. Yep. It actually looks almost brand new. I mean, the body looks like it's barely used besides, you know, a couple scratches, but I mean, this ratchet looks like it's barely been used. Now, part of me is like, you know, why, you know, let laying dogs lie, right? Let them sleep. So I could just put some grease in there like that, but why not go hard mode? So we're gonna take out the handle or the switch mechanism. Okay. So now let's just get a little brake clean, because everybody got very triggered in my last video that I didn't have that. So now I got some brake clean just for you guys. Now, I just like to use something like grease when it comes to something with less teeth, especially these older ratchets. They're rather coarse teeth. Then, let's see, I'll put a little grease around the body. We'll put the ball in, and then we'll depress the ball as we put the pawl or the switching mechanism in. There you go. Nice and easy. Then let's do a little bit of grease here. And so we don't lose anything, we're gonna do this. We'll come over, hold the face of the ratchet on, and then add our switch. And let's hear the difference. Nice and quiet. So questions or comments, leave it below. If you find that your gears or anything is messed up inside of here and that needs replacing, try actually contacting Mac before you try buying a new kit online, because sometimes they'll send you a replacement kit like they've done for me in the past at no cost. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.